We all love bringing our furry friends around on road trip adventures, but our number one concern should always be keeping them safe. Hi, I'm Sarah from RecPro, and this is Charlie, and these are a couple ways that you could keep your pet safe while RVing. One thing that I always love to keep on the road is RecPro's Canine Med Kit. This is really awesome. It's super small, compact, but it has a ton of different things inside of it. It has a variety of medications, so really anything your dog might need if it gets sick or injured, such as Benadryl and other things like that. In the case of an emergency injury, it also has plenty of cleaning items to keep you prepared. So it's got an eye wash kit, it's got alcohol pads, and all kinds of things. It also comes with all sorts of pet tools like a nail trimmer and a tick remover. One thing that's really important to remember is the temperature of your RV when your pet's inside of it. Even if it's for a really short period of time, you shouldn't be leaving your pets alone in the RV without an AC running, because it can get really hot in a really short amount of time. Research shows that within 1 hour of parking in a shady area, your RV's internal temperature can get up to over 100 degrees. This is why a good AC unit is a necessity for all pet owners, and remember to keep it running when they're in there. Another thing to remember on hot days is that your pet's paws can feel all of that heat. So one solution to this is to opt to walk them in the evening or in the shade. Another thing that's really important is keeping your pet's collar tags up to date with all of your current information. This way, if they get loose at a campground, then you can easily find them. A pro tip is that you can actually make temporary collars with some painter's tape and permanent marker and write down your campsite number, so then if they get out, then someone knows where to return them to. On another note, most campgrounds and parks do require that your dog is on a leash, so we always recommend keeping them leashed, and this is for not only their safety but your own. You never know what dogs could be aggressive or what animals they can chase after. I know I love bringing Charlie along on all of my adventures, and I always want to make sure to keep her safe. If you're interested in looking at any of our products, including the Canine Med Kit, go ahead and click the link down in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like our content. And remember, when you're rolling on the road, roll with RecPro.